fuck everything.
Guys, I forgot to renew my premium account.
Oh, fuck! Oh, man.
Don't worry, guys. I'm a Terran guard.
I'm MLG.
Oh, got one. Oh, fucking going right.
Oh, there?
Yeah. Dude, they're not gonna come up through here. This is a death trap. Charlie's in the bushes.
Victor Charlie.
Bravo Alpha.
Tango Whiskey.
Nuke unlocked. Oh, man. Whose gun was that?
Right. Oh, in the back? Oh,
No. Who just shot? Sounds good. Our team. Oh, this gun sounds cool. You smell.
Like
roses. Do you have a smoke on you?
No, I don't.
Oh, I was gonna be like, use the smoke to cover. No, he's not dead yet!
What?
That's why you don't stop firing, Matt. You never stop firing.
Oh my god. Quiet. You alright? Yeah, I'm good. You guys, what's up? I'm coming for you. Go on, back around. Chill it.
Dude, my gun's gonna make me go deaf. So fucking loud.
Hey, how you doing?
I don't know. I think he fell back, but I'm not.
They did.
30 minutes. Fuck, where's he coming from?
You got it. You got it. Yeah.
Shit, moving left. What the fuck? What the fuck? What an animal.
That was the worst thing I've ever seen anybody
That was terrible.
It's Andrew. Ryan, I need you. Andrew.
Shit, right there.
Put your ear right to your gun. It sounds so cool.
Dude, I'm going deaf.
Remember, we didn't save it. Right, we have to save ammo.
Dude.
They're over here. No, we're actually shooting people.
Hit! Fuck!
Come on. Come on.
Now, what's the front?
Where'd it come from?
We're going through the camera.
He's in the base.
Matt, you get hit. Matt, you get hit.
Dude, they're all... Oh, fuck!
Right.
Got hit in the mouth. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I got hit in the mouth.
Wait, let me see. Oh, I can see. It's on the
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I got hit right here.
Right here.
Oh, shit. Is there a mark?
Not really.
Okay, cool.
Fucking A!
I think just shot me in the butt.
Guys, we don't have time. We gotta get this. We gotta get ready.
God, get over
Damn it,
here.
we forgot the door.
Oh, Parker, why? They're moving it. Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Oh, he's done.
They're moving right.
Rory, get the fuck down.
Rory, what? Don't be a hero, Rory. Parker's on his left. Oh, God. Parker, we're going to die.
Get down, you fool! Is anything coming left?
Dude, I don't fucking know.
Where I'm at? No, where I'm at. You guys.
Well, we'll find out when I get shot.
Rory, watch left. Come over here and watch left. We got the right.
Fuck. Oh, fuck nuts.
Two eyeballs on left.
Oh, God. Matt, save your ammo.
Oh, God! I like them apples.
Give him hell. Give him hell.
Are we American?
Ow. Fuck you.
Wow, get the gun, fool. I'm fine. You just fucking... They can't.
Dude, they can't even push up. Oh, moving left, moving left. It's a fucking animal.
God damn it, that kid.
They're fucking animals!
God.
Ammo's,
Dude, we have to hit him.
ammo's running out.
We have to hit him.
Dude, I don't know. That may have been why he ran back. Still. Oh, God. Oh, God. We're doing good. We're holding. We haven't lost anyone yet. Get him, Matt.
More!
This is slaughter. Alright, we should let them push up a little bit. We're just burning ammo.
Can we go to that?
I don't know, I went over there last time. Daniel got butt mad. But Daniel's not here.
I wouldn't do that.
I mean, I kind of want to get in the base.
Anybody in it?
No.
Get in.
Look, if you get behind this tree, you're fine. Ooh, 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 ooh. There he goes. Good job, Roy. Good job.
Good job.
That's some good covering right there.
What? Oh, when did that happen? What?
Oh, shit, two left.
Oh. Get up here.
I think someone else went left. Oh, fuck. I hear talk.
Can't do shit about it. I'm sorry.
Fuck. Yeah, there's two left. There's two left.
Okay.
Okay, the crazy animal went right. We got another guy left. I don't know who it is.
I'm back on you, man.
Fuck. Oh, fuck. I don't see him. God, my hair. I'll watch the... Ooh, Matt, I love it when our butts rub.
No.
Shit, shit, shit. Colin, send it.
Are you running a battery? Guys, got the 4 pallets.
Oh, God, ammo's looking low. He's still there, get down! Get him, Matt, get him!
Woo! Shit, Ryan, shouldn't push up.
Yeah, I know. Oh, fuck it!
Ryan,
Dude, that shot me in the chest. Oh, God. Where? Oh, God, no. No. Left side, left side!
I got him. I'm down. I'm
Parker, you have ammo?
Barely.
Like, do you have extra?
The bag?
Look out!
Ryan, do you need some?
Roy's down!
Ryan, do you need that?
They're flanking! Damn it! Parker, what the hell happened? Cover me, I'm reloading! Oh, fuck. Is Parker dead?
No, I'm hit, but I'm respawning and reloading.
Okay. Oh god. You hold them off, Matt. You hold them off.
I can't do it forever. My man's not whining. I got one guy with the brushes. Take him out.
Dude, I can't see out. Work.
Yeah, I'm dry.
Here. Use whatever's in this. I didn't need it. They're moving right. They're moving right.
Run, get down.
Ammo's looking low.
Ryan, just in case. Ryan.
Got it. I might end up actually needing that. Josh, move it up! Move it up right! I got 2 right! Where the fuck? Parker, finally! We got 2 right! Josh, move it left! Watch your left side!
I'm out! I'm out!
Roy, run back to the car and get some.
Where's the bag of ammo? Back there!
Roy, go back there and get it!
Should we retreat?
Right side! Right side!
I'm hit!
Matt, it's you and me! To the end, Matt! To the edge! Oh, fuck. I take no survivors! Let's go! Let's go! What do you got? Hit!
Run, they're gonna check
Oh, God. Get in the base! Reload, rearm, reload, rearm, reload!
This is it! This is it, my friend!
Oh, fuck. This is it, Parker. Oh, shit. They got me in the chair.
We're good! Guys, don't knock this over, okay?
Oh, fuck.
Roy! Ryan, you got that clip?
Yeah.
Back there.
I'm gonna need it real soon.
Time. What's our time?
Matt, I don't know. You started it.
This'll fit. I didn't start it. I thought you had it.
Matt, you're the one who said start.
There's our battery here. It's for Roy. Take him in.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my God! There's so many of us! Get him right!
Oh,
Get him!
shit. Andrew's on right.
I'm dry! I'm dry!
Oh, fuck.
So bad!
Fuck.
Push me so bad!
This is so bad.
Why did he make us do
Oh,
this?
God. I don't want to defend
I
this.
don't want to live anymore!
Let's just go home. Oh, shit.
Where's the chopper?
Right side! Right side!
Conserve
This
ammo.
is it, Parker. This is it. I'm running out.
I got a bag back there. I have no range.
Shit. What the fuck hit?
Probably ricochet.
Probably. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck, Parker.
Hurry, get up here.
Oh, fuck. If they push right, we're done.
We'll be okay. We can hold them.
Matt, let me know if they're pushing up
Do we
right.
have one life here?
Yeah. No, we have 2 lives. You just respawn back there.
Right. This is what I got left. Rory, can you get to Lincoln's Fortress? Ryan, can you go to Lincoln? Go to Lincoln.
Roy, go to
Rory,
Lincoln.
run, we got to go to
Roy,
Lincoln.
go, go, go. Roy, be our spotter. Let us know if they push up.
It's the brown one!
Oh, God. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, my God, I can't hold it.
Hold on, I have to look. Battle assessment.
Two left! 3 left! 3 what?
They're pushing left.
Oh my God!
Keep firing! Or not. Whatever.
What the hell just happened? Oh shit! That's it!
Doctor, no.
I got one more mag.
Okay.
Where's that ammo bag? Bag behind you. Alright. We know!
Oh, Jesus.
Brian, the bag!
The bag! Oh, no.
Oh no! Our ammunition reserve!
Oh, God, why?
They're moving!
Oh,
He's on
fuck.
hold it!
Fuck, God, keep firing!
It's so bad!
Oh, God. Parker, keep firing! Keep it together!
Quiet! Quiet! Hey, guys, no blind firing! Give me that ammo bag!
Right behind you.
Wait, actually, I got some on my seatbelt.
Come on. It's not enough, Parker. Shit.
Just a few rounds. Got him. There's one more there's one more.
Alright, you stay there and keep spotting.
Bag!
What?
Where is it?
Parker's using it.
Oh, he's using it. Okay, I just heard it. I was like, no. Just wind him, guys. Keep winding him. Working on it.
Oh, God.
How is it down there? I'm almost out. Oh, no.